everybody, and welcome back to my channel. Yes, I'm bringing you guys my CVS haul. Now everything went okay at the register and everything. I had to do several transactions because those CRTs that you get for like 3 off of 2 or 3 off of $12 or this and that, you can only use one per transaction, so I have to do multiple transactions. And it's sometimes it's easier because then I don't, if something happens, I mean, we only got 2 items on that receipt, it's fine, but I do have so many receipts, it's ridiculous. But I'm here to share with you guys what I got. So I ended up getting the Kleenex boxes. Now, I had a 50-cent off coupon, and I thought that was going to work. Like, the wording on it is really weird, and the system denied it. So I'm like, okay, don't worry about it. You know, I try not, you know, everybody makes mistakes, and I thought that coupon was for it, but it wasn't, so not a big deal. But I ended up doing this anyways without the coupons. So these were $4.49. They are a 3-pack of Kleenexes. So you guys would pay $8.98 for the both of these, but then you guys will get a $5 ECB back, and you guys can submit your receipt to Ibotta for 75 cents and 75 cents. And you guys should also get points for Fetch rewards. Now, my Fetch did not catch it, so I will have to email them because it says it's for like 2 packs and larger. But if you guys look at the photo, it is like a 3 or 4 pack is what it is. So I need to email them because it's just not catching it. And I don't know, they shouldn't have the one picture on there if it's not their correct thing. So, but you guys should get $1.50 back with Fetch rewards. So if you guys don't have the Fetch rewards, it would be $2.48 for the both of these, which I think is a pretty good deal because usually these boxes are usually $1. So I mean, you got 6 of them. That comes up to about like a little bit, you know, less than like 50 cents or a quarter a piece or something like that. But if the Fetch rewards works for you guys will get these for 98 cents. It comes out to be 49 cents a box, which is a awesome deal. So I didn't use any coupons. There might be coupons out there, but I didn't have any at the time, so got that. Now you guys do know I have 2 cards. I try not to always do the same deals with the same cards, but sometimes I just can't pass up. Every year for like Halloween, I always hand out full packs of gum. So they had the free gum deal at CVS, so I always do this because this is what we give for Halloween. So these were just 99 cents. You guys would pay 99 cents for this, but then you guys will get 99 cents back in an ECB, making these absolutely free. So I could not pass up the gum to give away for Halloween. Now I also did the Reese's deal. Now Kit Kats were involved, Cadbury eggs, and other things, but I got the Reese's eggs for my husband, and I got this for my ice cream because all I've been wanting lately is ice cream and Reese's peanut butter cups. So I got these for us to have, but these are 99 cents. You guys would pay 99 cents for this, but then you guys will get 74 cents or 75 cents back in an ECB, making these like 25 cents or 74 cents, whatever, making these like 25 cents a piece, which is a pretty decent deal. So I definitely wanted to share with you guys on that. I have eaten all my Cadbury eggs. I had one last night, which was nice. I ended up getting the Tresemme shampoo and conditioner. This one like broke open on me when I got home, but I think it's because I dropped the bag. But these were 2 for $10. You guys want to use that 4 off of 2 coupon that we just got in this past Sunday's paper. I also had a $2.25 off of 10 CRT that I had, and then there was also a 2 off of 2 instant coupon that printed from the red box today. So you guys would get both of these for $1.75 or just 87 cents a piece. And I always say usually $1 or under for shampoo and conditioner. This is Tresemme, which I rarely ever get, so I definitely wanted to do this deal. Just because it was a great deal. So the cashier, she's like, weren't you supposed to get ECBs back with that? And I'm like, no. She's like, okay, good. I was worried there. And I'm like, yeah, not everything I get ECBs back, but hey. I'm trying to like gain my money back. Like back in the day, I used to have so much, and now I have like 10 $10, so I pay more out of pocket, but hey, I still get stuff for a really good deal. Now I ended up doing the Maybelline and the eyeshadow, and I forgot to take a picture of the mascara. I don't know why, but the mascara was $8.49, and they upped my price for the eyeshadow. It's now $4.19. It used to be $3.99, so some of your stores might have it for $3.99. But this mascara is my favorite. I love this mascara. So you guys want to use get both of those. There's a $3 off coupon that you guys can use for this one, and then a $1 off coupon for this one. I also had the $3 off I had a $3 off. Was it $3 off? Or was it $2 off? I think it was $3 off the Maybelline instant coupon that we got in today's thing. So I got that $3 off. And then I also used a 2 off of 12 cosmetics CRT. So I paid $3.68 for the both of these. But then you guys can get $5 back in an ECB, making it a $1.32 moneymaker. So absolutely free, which is awesome. There's a CoverGirl deal, but everywhere, everybody does the eyebrow pencils. I am beyond eyebrow pencils. I have so much eyeshadow, it's ridiculous. So I tried to get, other things, but I really like the mascara. But I did that deal again in my other card too, because I could not pass up mascara, and I really like the mascara, the Maybelline mascara. So I definitely wanted to do that deal. Now I ended up doing the Crest mouthwash deal. These were $4.79. I had a $1 off digital coupon that I was able to clip to my card, and then I also had a 2 off of 6 mouthwash. You guys would buy 2 of them. You guys would pay $6.58 for the both of these, but then you guys will get $3 and $3 of ECBs, making it $6. Comes out to be just 58 cents or 29 cents a piece for mouthwash, which I think is a pretty good deal. This, all of a sudden now I have like the hiccups. This is my favorite mouthwash. Oh, pink lemonade. So, yeah. So I ended up doing, again, I'm sorry, but I did it for both of my cards because I really like stocking up on mouthwash. So I had to do that deal. So I did that with both of my cards. The next deal I got was the Irish Springs. Now, I was a freaking idiot when I did this deal. I had a 2 off of 8 body wash. And then she's like, wait, these aren't $8. I'm like, I don't know. I don't know if it's the brain thinking or just me not thinking straight. But I said, that's fine, take it off. She's like, oh, you can go get something else. And I'm like, no, that's okay. Like, sometimes I'm just like, whatever, I'm not thinking straight. So, but I ended up getting the Irish Springs body wash in case you guys want to do this deal. Now, these are 2 for $7. I used 2 $1 off coupons that we just got in the paper from last week. You guys would pay $5 back for this, but then you guys will get $3 and an ECB back, making these just $2 or $1 a piece. So, if you guys are interested in Irish Springs, I have so much Irish Springs, it's ridiculous. Like, I could probably fill a pool with how much Irish Spring body wash I had. That's how crazy it is. So, and then the last, well, I needed, sorry, as I was saying, I needed like $1 more to use my $10 ECB when I checked out. So I just got some nut rolls because these are just a great snack for have. But the last deal I got is the Schick razors. Now, my store didn't have the female ones as labeled as much because I wanted to do this deal with 2 different cards to 2 different situations. But I thought this was still a really good deal. So I ended up getting the Schick Hydro 5. Now, these were $11.29. And then I ended up getting the Schick Hydro 3. Just the razors, and these were $13.49. So I got both of these. You guys want to use that buy one get one free coupon that we just got in today's paper. My store took off this one so she took $11.29 off at the transaction. I also had a $3 off Hydro men's razor coupon, and I had a 3 off of 12 razors. So I ended up using that. So I paid $7.49 for the both of these, but then you guys will get $8 back when you buy two. Comes out to be just a 51-cent moneymaker. So I made a profit off of this. I like took a picture when I was at the store and I'm like, husband, what one do you want? He's like, get this one because this one had a bonus refill. So I always try to get him involved when it comes to picking out some stuff so he feels important. You know, every time I get home, what'd you get? Did you get anything for me? Did you get anything for me? No, Graham, I didn't get anything for you, but, you know, he wants treats. He wants treats. He doesn't care about body wash. He doesn't care about razors. He wants treats. So I got him a treat wherever I put it. So he can have his little egg. So wanted to share with you guys with that. So that was my total. I had to do 7 transactions. I know 7 transactions is a little ridiculous, but they have it where you guys can't use those coupons all the time. And the store manager is the one who helped me. She's totally cool with it. She likes it how I'm organized. She likes it how I have everything written down to a T to help them out, help me out. And, you know, I spend more time at the registers than anything else, but I'm here to, you know, educate them. They educate me. But my total came to $12.70 after I used ECBs. And I think for everything that I got, I think that's a good idea. Because, I mean, just thinking about this costs more than what I paid. So that is awesome. But I ended up using $36 worth of ECBs in all my transactions. But I ended up receiving $41.46 back. Now, there was some transactions where I did not pay with ECBs because I didn't either have enough or it wasn't worth it. Like I said, I'm trying to gain some back, but otherwise, I think what I paid out of pocket is an awesome deal. I ended up getting $1.50 back with Ibotta. That is for the 2 Kleenex boxes. And then Fetch Rewards, I should be getting $1.50 back, which I have to email them that they have to fix that because it never catches it. And one thing I hate about Fetch Rewards and CVS is CVS now has their total, what it was after coupons and after ECBs are factored in. So it's like you could pay like 4 cents for one product or 4 cents for here. And then when you submit your receipt to Fetch, it says 4 cents. And it's technically like $5. So I'm always correcting my receipts on Fetch Rewards. So just make sure you guys are paying attention to that. But if you add everything together, my total came to $4.24. I got 20 items at just 21 cents a piece. I think that is a pretty good deal. I was really excited. My favorite thing was the razor deal that I got in the Kleenex deal. Actually turned out pretty good. I have a lot of Kleenex boxes, so I don't need a lot, but it's nice to have them all throughout my house because when I'm at home, I'm like, where's a freaking Kleenex when you need one? There can't be anywhere found. I mean, I have one in the kitchen, one in the bathroom, or all 3 of our bathrooms, and I need more Kleenex boxes everywhere. So I need to disperse those throughout the house. But otherwise, I think I did a pretty good job. There were some other deals that I don't know. No, I got actually everything on my list. Sometimes stuff doesn't come out in my favor, but I did get everything on my list. So I hope I got the hiccups, but I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please give this video a thumbs up so I know you guys enjoyed it, and I'll see you guys all next week for another CVS haul. See you guys later. Bye-bye.